You see what I mean, man? You put some high flow cats on it. And then you do some side pipes like that. And then you gotta do the love bug. See that? That's why we needed those heart-shaped side pipes. All right, guys, what we got today is something special. 1984 G10. If nothing else, this will tell you why we did what we did. Read this and then look what we did. It's got a 383 in it. And what we got done on it's got long tube headers there and there. Then we went from there and put high flow cats there and there. Then 2.5 inch pipe. And then side pipes. Because why not? Side pipes. Right there. And he's gonna make it into a love machine. So we had to add on the side pipes the heart-shaped tip. Look at that. You gotta admit that's awesome right there. Come get you some. There they are. Side pipes on this side. Into high flow cats. Into long tube headers. On a G20. G10, sorry. There's the other side. There's the high flow cat. There's the side pipes. And the heart-shaped tip. Like it? Tell that 383. Do it again. Oh, I love the wheels and tires too. Completes the look. Super wide. Look at that. Go ahead and back it up. Give me gas again. 101. Go ahead and back it up. It's awesome. Ready again? Side pipes, baby. Give it gas. What you guys hear on the inside? I love it.